Hello, welcome to SimpanKira. Today we're going to cover on our web point of sale. Our web point of sale is another module that exists in SimpanKira Cloud Accounting Package. So you can subscribe this by subscribing to Inventory and Web Post module. So in order for you to access the point of sale, you can look at the sidebar and see this point of sale. Click here and then you need to enter your password. Okay, so enter your password and then you have an access to the point of sale. So just a quick reminder, our point of sale does not have integration with cash register or cash drawer and the receipt printer. Okay, our point of sale is accessible via desktop or laptop or even from your smartphone. You can access it. So in our point of sales, if you can see, there are four sections. One is register, another is items, then history, and then settings. So if you are using this for the first time, you need to set up the account associated to the point of sale. So point of sale, the function of point of sale is to record the sales data, meaning to say what items do you sell today. So and then in a way it can record the transaction and then you can do the refund, and it can also handle the generation of receipt. I will show you in a minute how you can generate the receipt. But we need to configure the appropriate account to capture the transaction of sales. Okay, here at the setting tab, you will see there are three options here: close post session, post setting, and return to dashboard. So if you go to post setting, so this is where you configure the accounts. So the cash account, less sales discount account, sales return and allowance account, rounding account. Okay, so you can choose the appropriate accounts and then click save. And the history you can see previous history of the sales transaction recorded in this point of sale. So if you go to register tab, so all the products, all the items that you have in your items and the inventory will be displayed here. If you do not upload the image of the product, it will be like this. Okay, but if you upload, then it will appear like this. So to do this is very simple. For example, if somebody buying a screwdriver, you just click and then it will show on the right hand side the screwdriver, the quantity and the price, and it will also handle the rounding of this figure. For example, the price is 6 ringgit and 99 cents, so we're rounding it to 0.1 and it becomes 7 ringgit. Okay, so if let's say once the transaction is done, you can click pay, and then this is when your customer will hand you the money. So it's either they give you the exact charge, it is 7 ringgit, or they will give you 10 ringgit or 20 or 50 ringgit. Or if you have a credit card or debit card terminal, this is where you use this. You can record it, Visa, MasterCard, Amex, put the last four numbers of the card, and then the reference. Reference typically the approval code that is being printed, from the terminal, and you can enter it here, and it will keep a record. Otherwise, you can stick with the cash. If they make payment with 10 ringgit, for example, click 10 ringgit button, and then it will show you 3 ringgit change, and they will ask you whether you want to send this the receipt through the email. So if you want to send the receipt through email, so just enter the email address and then click send, and then that's how it is. It's very easy, it's very simple. Go to new sale. If you're using smartphone or tablet, most likely you won't see this interface. Instead, you will see the item interface. Much simplified. You can view all of it by scrolling up and scrolling down. It works just the same. You just select the items and then you will see a pay button from there. The history, this is like what we have shown just now, the transaction of 7 ringgit screwdriver Phillips. You can click here and then you can issue new receipt or you can issue a refund. Yeah. And let's say if you're done with this and you need to close your post session. So if you click close post session, it will show you the summary. Okay, if there's any discount, a refund, any tax, and it will show you the net number, and then you close. When you close the post session, what will happen? All the number will be updated accordingly in your accounting GL. So that's the beauty of using SimpanKira web point of sale together with the SimpanKira cloud accounting, because it automatically updates your accounting as well. Most of the point of sale out there, they do not have integration with accounting. So you need to manually take the number from point of sale and put it in your accounting software. But for those who are subscribing to our point of sale module, whenever you close the post session, it will update your accounting GL as well. So you can straight away access your your profit and loss statement or your balance sheet. But typically you want to see your sales data, yeah, and you also want to see in overall business in your income statement or profit and loss statement. So that's the beauty of using SimpanKira web point of sale. So dig in, sign up for SimpanKira. You have an access to point of sale in your 30-day free trial. So try it, use it, access it with a smartphone or your tablet or your PC or your desktop. See whether it fits with your requirements or your businesses. We are more than happy to hear feedback and welcome any suggestion from you. Thank you very much for following this video. I'll see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.